Okay. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Day after the rainy night vlog after the rainy night. Okay. Welcome to this vlog. Okay. This early morning vlog. Well, this vlog after a rainy night, morning after the rainy night. Okay. So so anyway, oh look at this fella, right? Well, who cares about that fella? I don't know why I did that. Somebody basketball. I don't know who that basketball if I ain't touching it. All right. If it's not mine, it's not mine. But anyway, good morning, y'all. Family, friends, whoever the heck watching this show early in the morning. Okay. So they having a cold front. Well, we having a cold front right now, you know. And spring is this Saturday. Okay, the first day of spring. Okay. So it ain't gonna be too cool this long, you know. And Latoya was watching my show last night while I was live, you know. Okay, so today is March the 18th, 2021. Okay, yep. Let's take a look at the sky. Okay, yep. It's clear skies right now, you see? Uh huh. Yep. If y'all can look at the sky, yep, barely a cloud in Skype. I mean sight, not Skype. Yes, indeed. Okay. So so anyway, y'all. Let's go take a walk over here on the side. Okay. Mhm. So, you know, some people park their cars up on high ground just in case it would flood. Thank God, no flooding around here. You know, it was kind of heavy rain. If y'all watched the video from last night, like Talia did, but Talia watched my episode uh, when it was before it started raining. You know, yep, the sky was lighting up. It was lightning too. You know, ooh, it's cold. Yes, indeed. So I guess y'all need to wear y'all jackets and stuff. You know. Uh huh. So let's go inside where it's nice and toasted. Well, it's not really toasted. All right. All right, because I remember I said I had chicken in there. Good morning, Brock. All right. Let's step outside on this side, you know. Uh huh. Yep. So everything is nice and right. It had a little water. It's kind of wet right here. All right. All right. So. All right. All right. Once again, okay. Yep. So many people cars is parked back here because, you know, better safe than sorry, y'all. And there's some cars parked right there, not knowing if it would have flooded. You know, that white car was parked on this side, but it moved on that side. You know. Mhm. Yeah, all that rain we had. You know, all that rain we had. You know. Uh huh. So clear skies and stuff like, well, almost clear skies. So the sun gonna come out tonight. You know. I mean today. The sun don't come out at night. I said the sun will come out tonight. The sun don't come out at night, you know. The sun do not come out at night. Yes, indeed, y'all. Yep. The sun don't come out at night. Yes, indeed. So, if the sun come out at night, it would be daylight 24 hours a day, but we would still get sleep 24 hours a day. Rather this daylight or nightlight. You know, daylight or nightlight, daylight or nightlight. Okay. So doing the daylight saving time vlog and stuff like that, I have to tune it up a bit, tune it up, tune it in, tune it up. All right. So as y'all looking around with me, they go to I guess they gonna switch the dumpster out or whatever. You know, a huge dumpster. Ain't that something, y'all? Now to end this Facebook live vlog. Good day and sweet dreams. Well, not no good day and sweet dreams. You know. Good morning, and let's start your day off on the right track. If you're waking up in the morning to go to work or whatever, whether you have kids or not, you know. If you're just waking up to start your day off and you have a day off, do your thing, okay? And not only that though, if you're waking up, getting your kids ready for school and stuff like that, getting your kids ready for school and stuff like that, then wait a minute before I end this. I guess that a truck come every now and then when that thing is full, you know. All right, so wake up and get your kids ready for school. Cook them some breakfast and all that. If your child is grown, or well not grown. If your child's a teenager, I bet he or she gonna fix him or her some breakfast of her own, like cereals and everything, or Cheerios, or Oreos, or whatever, or Frosted Flakes, or whatever. All right, that's all I got to say. All right, goodbye, ladies and gentlemen. All right, next one.